Welcome to DNA AUTOHAUS. We're here to present to you this 2023 BMW M3 Competition X drive. Finished in individual Java green, this vehicle comes with the ultimate package, so it consists of every optional extra from factory, but also benefits from some cosmetic enhancements. Starting at the front, we have the replaced CSL style gloss black grille, the 50th anniversary BMW badges, the CSL yellow daytime running lights, the CSL carbon fibre front splitter, Maxton design gloss black side skirts, and a carbon CS style rear spoiler. With the carbon exterior package, the BMW comes with carbon fibre wing mirrors and also a carbon fibre roof as standard. This vehicle has also been lowered on lowering springs with the addition of wheel spacers just to complement the stance. And as part of the Technology Plus package includes the Driving Assistant Professional, and this includes radar guided adaptive cruise control with lane changing and steering intervention. At the rear of the vehicle, the kit's completed with the carbon CS style rear spoiler, and with the carbon exterior package, the rear diffuser from factory comes in carbon fibre with the black chrome exhaust tips. The M3 as standard comes with a 3 litre S58 inline 6 producing 510 brake horsepower, which is provided to all four wheels via the X-Drive system and paired up with a ZF8 torque converter gearbox. Onto the interior of the M3, which comes with Harman Kardon surround sound audio system. The M3 competitions as standard come with heads-up display, and this being a 23 plate registration vehicle comes with the new iDrive 8 infotainment system. The interior and inlays are finished in carbon fibre, and the electric heated memory seats are finished in full black merino leather for these M carbon buckets.